From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. The Friday discovery of a racist photo on Governor Ralph Northam's 1984 medical school yearbook page has created a chaotic atmosphere at the Capitol as lawmakers rush to complete their work before their scheduled adjournment later this month. Nearly 100 protesters gathered outside the governor's mansion this morning to ask Northam to step down.
We cannot make a roadblock here and say, oh, that was his past, we'll get over it, or you need to get over it. No, we will not get over it until he has removed himself and until he is replaced. We are standing firm and we are not taking back our voices.
Later today, Lieutenant Governor Justin Fairfax was swarmed by reporters who asked him about his readiness to step in if Northam leaves office.
We always have to be prepared to assume our roles and responsibilities that are given to us by the Virginia Constitution. This is not something that anyone formulated in terms of how this process proceeds. And so we are prepared and will continue to be prepared.
Fairfax is dealing with his own controversy. Today he denied allegations which broke last night that he sexually assaulted a woman in 2004. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.